Okay, so just doing a quick video on how to fix your Joy-Con drift. So this is the original, one of the original Joy-Cons off my son's Switch. So he was complaining that his character would always drift without even touching the controls. It would be moving. So I'm sure that 9 times out of 10, it's probably just debris within this little area right in there. Unless you drop it, then there's probably an issue. But if you just take a toothpick, there's a little rubber boot, and if you just lift it up, there is mostly, I mean, there could be debris in there that's causing it to drift. So our solution to the problem was to buy this, and the important part here is plastic safe. That's the one you need, because the other stuff will eat your plastic, and then you won't have a Joy-Con. So how to do this, I mean, you can have your parents do it, kids, or if you're agile enough, you can just put the toothpick in, raise the boot out of the way, and then you'll want to squirt some in. You just take it, you want to put your safety glasses on, and then just throw some in there. You probably want to wiggle it around a little bit, maybe rotate it to this side, and do this side now. Again, toothpick, lift the boot up, take your sprayer, focus, give it a good shot, wiggle it around, and you should be good to go. So this stuff, I mean, if you want, you can go ahead and go on Amazon and buy new joysticks, take this all apart. I mean, there's a few screws in here. You can do that if you want, but this worked for us. So give that a try, have your parents do it, whatever you got to do. Talk to you later.